In this video, I'm going to show you how you can complete a micro job on SproutGigs. Now I'm going to complete one together with you live on camera and show you what you need to do and give you some tips and tricks along the way. So I've already chose some jobs to do. I've got two open and I'll just complete one of these with you. So I'm going to do this one here, which is a Reddit search plus upvote my post. Now this pays 20 cents and it should take no longer than 5 minutes. So what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down and here it says what is expected from workers. Let's read that together and let's do it together. Then you'll know what to expect when you're doing jobs on SproutGigs. So it says here you need a Reddit account to do this task, which is what I have. First go to google.com and search best office chair Reddit. So let's copy this search term. Then I'm going to go to google.com, accept all, and we're going to type in here best office chair Reddit. Now we'll go back and it says then click on the post with the title what's the best office chair for who spends long hours on the computer and has a bad posture. If you see the Reddit post with more than 1.3k upvotes, then you pick the right post. So let's have a look here. What's the best chair for someone who spends a lot of time on the computer and has a bad posture? You can see here this one has 1.1k upvotes, so it might not be this one. Let me just try and see if there's another one. So there is one here. And yeah, so this one has 1.3k upvotes. So when you're doing jobs on SproutGigs, make sure you really follow the instructions, otherwise you're not going to get paid. So here we're on the Reddit post that they want us to be on. Now, what exactly do they want us to do? So now we can go and follow these instructions. So upvote that post, then click on the Reddit username who created that post, screenshot the final task to submit. So we need to share our screenshot and type in the username of the person who created the post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into Reddit here. Now we're logged in here, we're going to go ahead and upvote this. And what we need to do is take a screenshot of us upvoting it. Now, for a lot of jobs on SproutGigs, you're going to need to take a screenshot. And the best way you can do that is by using a tool called Lightshot. So you can download it for Windows and Mac, and it takes like 30 seconds to download. Once you've got it downloaded, you then need to click print screen on your computer, and it will open this like tool where you can then highlight the area. And then if you go to, so let's highlight this, then we can go to save, click on save, and then we can save this screenshot. So I'll call it Reddit screenshot, and we can just save this to my desktop. So now you can see it's saved. So now we've got that screenshot, we can now go back to the job. So we need to share the screenshot and we need to type the username of the person who created that post. So I'm going to go down here, we're going to click on choose file and I'll find my screenshot. So Reddit screenshot, here it is, we're going to click open. So now we've got a screenshot of us doing the task. Now we'll need to copy the username. So their username is Office Expert Today. Copy this, and then we'll paste that into here, the username of the person who created that post. Then we can click on Submit Proof, and there you go. We've now done that job, and we'll just wait for that to get approved. Once it's approved, we'll then earn 20 cents, and that will go into the earn section, and everyone's then happy. So that's how you can complete a job on SproutGigs. Go through them, use Lightshot to screenshot, and start making money.